Okay, first ever mod. This one's for Derek Scupion. I'm gonna airbox it in the car park. Oh, some of those VTEC sounds happening. Alright, let's see what that sounds like. And the great news is it started raining thanks to Melbourne, so we just got 10 times more horsepower. Happy days. Alright, stay tuned. Okay. Alright. Let's see how that sounds. Our VTEC noises. This one's for you, Derek. More power, baby. Plus, the rain helps with horsepower, makes everyone a hero. No traction control in this car, so hang on to your panties. Still a few little rattles. No difference to the sound down low. But this was one of my good mates Derek's most favourite thing to do whenever he got a car was airbox it. So this one's for you, Derek. We're gonna airbox it, bro. It actually sounded pretty good up top in the revs, just as a standard car, so a little bit extra noise just for shits and gigs. It'll be fun if we ever get out of this car park. Oh. We're never getting out of this car park. Jesus Christ. Spun the wheels from all that VTECing. Holy moly. Definitely got some more power, baby. 1,000 horsepower Civic in the wet. Holy moly. People are looking. Oh yeah. Honda power. Still can't believe that I'm driving a Honda, but I'm sure that'll wear off soon once I start handing out the chops to everybody when I do this engine conversion. Cams have VTEC. What was that noise? Literally made no power difference. Anyone that's ever watched a car video on the internet knows that that makes zero difference to the noise, but sorry, the power definitely makes a huge difference with the noise. But we won't be driving this car for a while. Plans for it are to tidy it up, get it ready for registration, roadworthy. Things like the seat belt, the bumpers, just make it look nice. Put some suspension in it so that it doesn't squeak and rattle and bump, and that it actually steers and handles. Give the car a once over, make sure all the lights and everything, brakes work, then get the car registered. Once it's registered, then we'll definitely be ditching this engine, because this motor could not pull a 6-sailer off your sister, if you know what I mean.